Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting $25 business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts. But we're using one account because people who are just starting will only use one account just to see if stuff works. And what I'm doing is showing the results today. Now you might get better results to me, worse results to me, but I'm just showing what I get, what happens when I'm doing it. You know what I mean? So anyway guys, you're interested in following along, links in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, it's gonna be another short one today guys. I feel very sick. I'm coughing a lot, so if I happen to cough, I'm sorry about that for the interruption. Anyway, we're gonna go and get through this. Now, let's talk about the first reason why I like promoting $25 business. Because the product is really good. It's a very useful product. Funnel Builder essentially with a bunch of ways showing you how to use it and all this and that. But if you used the Funnel Builder before, you know how to use it, so to speak. It's only $25 a month with no limitations. That means as many funnels you want, many pages you want, domains, whatever. Do as much as you want. Alright. You can do as much as you want, and you should be fine. You know, the close competitor is ClickFunnels. I meant to say the most popular funnel builder out there is ClickFunnels, and it's $150 per month with a bunch of limitations. You can only make 20 funnels and one domain. You can only connect one domain, and if you want to get rid of that, you have to pay $300 a month, which is absolutely insane. That's a full year in this system. And you get essentially the same thing. But they banking on you not knowing that. You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, that's the first reason. Second reason is because it's affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. That's right. But that means you get 80% of every sale you get. So if somebody spends $25, you get 20. You know what I mean? Somebody spend $125, you get 100. All right, guys. So you make a lot of money real quick. Very easy to build your income. And you gotta understand something. I'm doing the bare minimum to promote this product. Now, if I really want to get down to it, I'd probably make a ton of money real fast. But I'm showing you guys the minimum effort way of doing it. All right, guys. So anyway, guys, let's look at our results here. Make sure I'm gonna refresh the page, show y'all real results here, guys. So that's what I'm gonna do now. All right, these are real results. Looks like I did get a sale yesterday. Yes, sir. All right.
Nice.
Okay, so that's a good thing there. So we got a sale yesterday. Sorry, guys, I'm sick. Sorry about that. That's a good thing happening there. So anyway, we're gonna go to My Lead Gen Secrets here. I clicked on the wrong thing. Sorry about that. Click on mailing system, guys. You don't need email swipes. You already got them. You click the 100 leads. I'm just gonna go to the next email here. We're gonna click on that. All right, that's the email. Pretty short, easy, and all that. You can pause and copy that if you want to. Anyway, put your link right there. Hit perfect time. Perfect time does send him an email around time. People check the email. Make sure you hit preview and check and see if your link works. I know mine worked because I'm just uploading an old video. And the link you want to use, guys, is all-in-one $25 business. This promotes the $20 commissions per month and the $100 commission per month. So that's the one I'm using when I do that. All right, we're gonna just send the email. And we are done, guys. That's all it takes. Very easy to do. You do this every morning. You make a couple extra $100 a month. And at least that's what I'm doing. I'm making a couple extra $100 a month. I can spend on just whatever. You know, I'm not, and it's just free money. There's no reason not to do this, guys. All right. So anyway, guys, like I stated before, the link's in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Peace.